Hi guys, it's Dipesh Parmar. My mini tip for you is how you can improve the margin or make the margin more invisible where the composite meets the tooth structure. Ways in which we can do this: number one, use the correct material. So microfills, owing to their smaller filler particles, they will marginate much better on the tooth structure than hybrid composites, for example. Number two is when you apply your final layer, make sure you compress the composite over the facial surface. Then what you want to do is you want to cut back the excess, brush the resin, cut back the excess again, and you want to keep brushing until the margin becomes invisible whilst the composite is in the uncured state. And what you should hope is once you cure it, it should still be fairly invisible. Finally, make sure you use the right enamel shade. So in the cervical and in the mid buccal areas, we've got an increase in chroma, whereas in the incisal third there is generally more translucency there. So what you don't want to be doing is using a chromatic enamel in the incisal third, for example. So you want to make sure you use the right enamel shade of the correct translucency in the area that it needs to be used.